What is happening today?
It's my birthday. Let's go. So I don't get sick. Pennies. It's still my birthday. We went to the Vans store and I found the slip-on loafers that I really wanted. And we went to Chikawa Land and we spent.
Where we go?
I think we're going to a Christmas market.
No, we're going to the Kirby Cafe.
We're going to the Kirby Cafe and to the Sky Tree, but I think there's a Christmas market in front of it, and they want to film my reaction because I love Christmas things.
More Christmas, yeah.
Don't fall. Okay, there are some balls on the trees.
Balls.
Let's go get the Christmas market.
It's so pretty. Please take picture. We're in the Kirby Cafe.
I bought some desktop Evangelion figures in the Chikawa store where Ida bought all her stuff, and then we went to Mart as well and got this. So let's open the Ava one first. I got Asuka.
Oh, we already have her at home.
Yeah, but not this one. I like it.
You can open it.
I don't know how to open this. And the shine is hurting my eyes.
You just rip it.
No, it's such a pretty box. We got, oh, it's pink.
No.
Oh, we got this one.
Oh, he kind of looks like Ditto.
Yeah, a bit.
Oh, he's cute.
There's some little guys inside. Come Kirby's ass.
Oh my god.
They're killing him. Strawberry pudding.
I'm gonna take his feet.
What's it like?
Strawberry pudding and cake.
We just got out of the Kirby Cafe and I bought myself a necklace so I will always remember my birthday in Japan. And then we got like this badge and I'm gonna open it so we see which one we got. And I don't know how to open this nicely, so
It's the only one I didn't want, really.
we're gonna get I forgot a stamp in our stamp book.
Almost.
No, Vivi's cleavage is missing.
No, there isn't one.
Oh, okay.
Ended my birthday on
McDonald's.
McDonald's. It was the best birthday I've ever had. I even got towed. And I got this beautiful scarf that Jakob bought me. And we're gonna eat this and go to bed because we are tired. So, Tokyo, thank you for the best birthday ever. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye!
We're at the Gachapon store. There's a lot of Gachapons. And I've already got like this Japanese like figure that we saw in an anime called Nichijou. But it was red in that anime. But I just wanted it so bad because it's so wiggly and cute.
Try the other machine hoping for a figure, but you know,
Probably not.
yeah. I don't know what I got. I think I got a bag. I got a bag. What do I do with it now?
This is your coin pouch.
This is my coin pouch. What do we have here?
So I got a coin.
10 yen coin.
10 yen coin, but it's a rainbow cheese. So I don't really know how I'm supposed to.
Just bite into it.
No, because I wanna like stretch it.
So,
Cheese. Jacob's gonna try to get the snail.
this
Which one do you like? All of them?
I like all of them, but the octopus one's the
I like
best.
this one.
I want the octopus.
Okay. Let's see.
Oh, I got this.
You got that one.
What is that?
In the high school. Maybe.
Man, this street is so busy.
Yeah, it's very touristy and busy.
Man, these tourists, they're everywhere.
We can go home, people. God damn. We got the cutest drinks. Jakob's got Nami. And I have Mabel. And we have 30 minutes. So let's use them wisely.
He's a munchkin. He has the small pieces. But we cannot see because she's sleeping.
Fish. High five.
Is this Mabel? Mabel? What you? Such an hippie boy. Okay.
That was amazing. Do we go to the Shiba cafe?
No, stop. We just went to the cat cafe.
But the Shiba.
Yeah, we can go another time. We smell like cats, they're gonna bark at you.
But the Shiba. It took us, what, 3 hours to get through this one street?
There's a lot of stuff, come on. Yeah, and the start is like right there.
It's like 200 meters.
Yeah. Like right there somewhere. 3 hours, huh? That's all it
But
takes.
half of it was in the cat cafe, so
Ooh, cute stuff.
we're gonna go check out the Rip and Dip store, but I was gonna try the matcha Kit Kat. Does it taste like grass? Is it good?
I like it.
Good. Where are we going now?
The Meiji Jingo Temple.
Are we on the right track?
I think so. We should be there in 3 minutes.
We should be... Where in 3 minutes?
At the temple.
No, we should be here in 3 minutes.
Wait. Oh, then you have to go by.
No. No. Then you have to go uphill.
Oh my god.
Some seawater.
Lemon.
Lemon.
There's water. We're going to the shrine.
I'm hungry.
Hi, hungry. Yeah, they're saying the park is gonna close soon.
Thank you for visiting us
And thank
today.
you for visiting. So we're gonna go.
And we're
This
gonna-
was a nice little break from the city. I think we both enjoyed it, but it wasn't nearly as beautiful as
Fushimi Inari.
yeah, and anywhere in Nara
Or Kyoto.
or Kyoto. But it was still pretty to see.
Yeah, I like the forest.
Yeah, and the lamps are cute.
Into modern society. There's just a fucking big ass skyscraper right there. Crazy.